Well, this morning we have Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission with us this morning. Charlene, good morning.
Good morning.
Now, for September, we've been making some fantastic breakfast recipes, and today is a really fun and creative one for the kiddos. We're making You Pick a Fruit Rainbow. Tell me all about the fun.
I love this recipe from the Kansas Soybean Commission because look at all these fruits. We want to teach the kids all the different fruits that they have and that they can make a rainbow on their plate. It's kind of like having a color palette.
It really is.
You can do whatever you want. And we're going to start out. I have two different kinds of soy yogurt. This is peach mango, this is strawberry, and this is sour cream. So what I was doing here, just for fun, is just like if you were painting, let the kids pick their colors here, the type of yogurt that they want, and then this, they can either use this to dip their fruits in, however they'd like. Then pick a variety of fruits that have all kinds of colors, you can see, and then let them make a rainbow here with all the colors. And we've got blackberries, blue, I don't think I put any blueberries in, but you could definitely use blueberries here. We're just going to arrange it. We've got pineapple, we've got oranges for our orange color, kiwi for green. And you know, it's a great way then for kids to find out all the different fruits that they would like to have.
Right.
And let's see, do I have kind of a circle there for a rainbow? Try to do that.
Okay.
And there we have it. And then they can take and dip their fruits in it. Another thing that we have to add a little bit of crunch, these are actually glazed soy nuts. So they add a little bit of crunch. You can add some if you want to. And then if they wanted some honey, they don't have to, but you could drizzle a little bit of honey on top just for some fun.
Oh, how fun.
How about this?
It is beautiful, and it's just really interactive for the kiddos. A great treat, great breakfast to start off the school day for sure. Now, of course, we've been making wonderful breakfast recipes, and we still have more to come for the month of September. If people want to find the recipe for this, You Pick a Fruit Rainbow, or anything else, Charlene, where can they do so?
Yes, go to our website at kansassoybeans.org. You can also call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN. We'll send you all the recipes for September. Get your kids in the kitchen and have a good, healthy breakfast.
Absolutely. Charlene, as always, thank you so much. Happy to have you. We'll be right back.